my native land. He asked me, the old man by the street, blind, lonely, and poorer than me. Tell me what my land is like. Breathe, Coca, I said. Breathe deep. The warm air that reminds you of your childhood friends is what your land is like. The cool breeze on your face this morn after last night's endless thunder and rain is the peaceful breath of your land. The contented gargling of that little baby tied to her mother's sturdy back is the soil of which your land is made. The chorus of the cuckoo and the sparrows as they play around the treetops near is what shapes your native land. The distant roll of the bihu dhol, the peppa and gogona my neighbors play, the heady aroma of pitha and laru, the chant of the evening prayer in the Namghar Masjid church, these make the soul of your beloved land.